Hey y'all. So I know we all love to play games in class. We want to play Kahoot. We want to play the quizzes. We want to do Jeopardies. We want to do different things to get our students engaged in class. But we don't want to make them. Sometimes when we're trying to play these games, we're conflicted because we have to actually take the time out to make the games for the students to play. So here is a quick solution for you. Have your students to make the games themselves as an activity for class. So it can be a homework assignment or it can be an activity that you do in class where you break up like the definition. So you may just assign each student 10 terms or something like that for the chapter that y'all are working in. And some of the students may have the same terms, and that's okay. Or all of your students may have the same terms, and that's okay as well. Because what you can do is make them create different games with the terms. So you can either assign them and tell them you're going to make a Kahoot, you're going to make a Quizzes, you're going to make a Jeopardy, you're going to make a Quizlet, and then allow your students to create the games themselves and give them some instructions, of course, and be specific so that they do it right. So you can just tell them to make the definition of the word, the question, and then that they have to have 4 multiple choice answers. And of course, they have to make sure that they select the correct answer. And then just put 3 other, vocabulary words from that chapter as the other answers, and then have them submit it. We do this in class, and I find it so helpful because now I have a whole selection of games that I can use because I have them to share the games with me. And we have a whole selection of games that we can use, and we can actually allow them to play their own games. And now they have different games, and we didn't have to do the work. But them creating the games is also an opportunity for them to study the information because they are having to type it up. They are having to make sure that they are putting the correct answer on the game and selecting the correct answer. And so it is a study opportunity. So you are killing 2 birds with 1 stone by having them to create the games for you so that you can allow them to play the games in class. Such an easy solution and such a helpful thing for us as the teachers because it helps take some of the stress of having another thing to do for class off of us. So I hope this helps you all. Have a great day.